Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo Y100 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can use Smart Motion Smart Wake in your phone Vivo Y100 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here and then go to shortcuts and accessibility. Then go to Smart Motion, then go to Smart Wake, and here lot of options are available. I will explain one by one. First one is swipe up to unlock. Okay, just turn it on, and if you swipe up on the empty screen, that is when screen is off, screen will be unlocked. See here. Yes, then swipe down to take a photo. Okay, next option, swipe down to take a photo. You go to swipe down on the empty screen, that is when the screen is off. If you use swipe down method, then it will open up camera and you can take a photo. See here, camera is opened and you can take a picture now. Okay, and we will see next option, draw M to play music. Okay, draw M to play music, but you should have music file in your phone. Unfortunately, I don't have, so it's not happening now. But if you have a music file, definitely it will happen. Then swipe horizontally to change music. So to shift to the next song or next music, just swipe down, swipe horizontally here, like this. Swipe to the right side. If you go to the previous one, swipe to the left. Okay, then next, draw F to launch Facebook. Okay, draw F. But Facebook is also not installed, I think. Then draw E. When you draw E, you can set yourself wants to open. Here I set to Amazon and I draw E. See here, Amazon is opened. So in this way, you can easily use Smart Motion Smart Wake in your phone Vivo Y100 5G. That's all, friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.